Meet Leo. Leo had a piggy bank, but it was always hungry. And Leo kept feeding it every coin he got. But somehow, his money never grew. His friend Mia had a jar that was bursting with coins. She even bought a new sketchbook. Leo was puzzled. How does your money multiply? Leo sat under his thinking tree. My money just sits there. Why doesn't it grow? Penny appeared riding on the back of a friendly coin-colored dinosaur. Penny said, Leo, this is Interestosaurus. He's the secret reason money can grow. He eats coins and then he gets bigger and gives you more coins back. That's called interest. When you save your money in a special place like a savings account, the bank pays you a little extra just for keeping it there. Interestosaurus loves to eat coins and grow. The more coins you give him, the bigger he gets, and the more he gives back later. It's magic called compound interest. Leo was amazed. So if I don't spend my coins and let Interestosaurus hold them, he'll grow and give me even more coins? Penny nodded. Exactly. But Leo had a habit. Every time he earned a coin, he'd buy a tiny candy. The dinosaur couldn't eat candy. He needed coins to grow. Penny said, start small. Feed Interestosaurus just 1 coin a week and leave it there. Watch what happens over time. Patience, remember? Leo opened a savings account at the Stick Bank. The teller, a friendly stork, put his coins in a nest and stamped his passbook. Interestosaurus peeked over the counter. Every week, Leo fed Interestosaurus a coin. He skipped 1 candy bar, then another. It was hard, but he imagined the dinosaur growing bigger. After 1 month, Leo checked his passbook. His coins had turned into more coins. 10 became 10 and a little extra. The interest was tiny, but real. Penny explained, even a little interest adds up. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. Small now, but wait until it gets big. Leo decided to save for a big goal, a remote control car. It cost 100 coins. He drew a picture of it and taped it to Interestosaurus's side. He fed Interestosaurus every allowance. The dinosaur grew from a hatchling to a teenager to a full-grown dino. Each growth spurt was because of interest on interest. The best part, the extra coins came from the bank, not from Leo's pocket. His money was working while he slept. Interestosaurus never slept. Then came the great candy sale. Every sweet was half price. Leo's mouth watered, but Interestosaurus nudged him toward the bank. Leo whispered, not today, Candy. Interestosaurus needs his lunch. He fed his coin into the bank. The dinosaur grew a tiny bit more. His friend Jake saw the dino and asked, why is your dinosaur bigger than my piggy bank? Leo taught him about interest. Soon, Jake had his own dino. The anchor hit. Sing with me.
Look at the scales, look at the jaw, the greatest bank you ever saw. Deep in the jungle, tall and wide, he's got a hungry slot inside. Feed the dino, coin by coin, watch him grow and watch him grow.
He's hungry!
Interest makes your money sprout. That's what savings and's all about. Every little bit you drop, watch the dino progress pop. He's getting big, he's getting strong. Come on and sing the dino song.
The slot is open, silver and gold, a prehistoric story to be told. From a tiny nest to a mountain high, watch your savings touch the sky. Feed the dino, coin by coin, watch him grow and watch him grow. Give it to him!
Interest makes your money sprout. That's what savings and's all about. Every little bit you drop, watch the dino progress pop. Dino song. When the sun goes down and the moon is high, the dino dreams of the growth inside. It's not just metal, it's not just stone, it's the biggest treasure you've ever grown. Interest makes your money sprout, that's what savings and's all about. Every little bit you drop, watch the dino progress pop. He's getting big, he's getting strong. Come on and sing the dino song.
The sound of growing big!
Let's play a game. Feed the dino or feed the urge. I'll show you a situation, you choose. A new sticker pack today or letting Interestosaurus have the coin for a bigger toy next month. Next, you find a coin on the playground. Instantly buy a candy or take it to your dino so it grows. Which one makes your future self smile? Now a tricky one. Your dino has grown 50 coins. You could buy a video game now or wait until it's 100 coins and buy the game plus a controller. What's the smart wait? Interestosaurus taught Leo the rule of 72, a secret trick. Divide 72 by your interest rate, and that's how many years it takes for your money to double. Magic math. The higher the interest rate, the faster the dino grows. But even a small rate is worth it because time is your friend. Start small, start now. Leo finally reached 100 coins. He withdrew his money, bought the RC car, and still had coins left over, thanks to interest. The car came with a tiny dino driver. But Leo didn't stop. He put the leftover coins back into his account and kept feeding Interestosaurus. Now he's saving for a bike. The dino is bigger than ever. Interestosaurus can help with any goal. A phone, a trip, even a gift for someone you love. He doesn't care what you save for. He just loves to help your money grow. Penny introduced Leo to the pay yourself first rule. Before you spend a single coin on wants, feed Interestosaurus. Even a few coins make a difference. You can make your own Interestosaurus at home. A jar with a dino face, and every time you add a coin, you add a sticker to his growth chart. He grows with you. Even grown-ups use Interestosaurus. They call it compound interest, and it's how people grow retirement eggs, college funds, and big dreams. Start young, and your dino will be enormous. Interestosaurus is patient. He doesn't need a lot at once, just consistent, small feedings. Like a real pet, but he pays you back. Leo's little sister wanted to try. She fed Interestosaurus her tooth fairy coins. Within a year, she had enough for a princess dress. The dino wore a tiara. Now the whole neighborhood has Interestosaurus. They have play dates and compare growth charts. It's a dino saving club. Print your own Interestosaurus savings kit from the link below. Includes a growth chart, a dino bank template, and a passbook. Start your dino today. Take the What's Your Dino Saving Style quiz to see if you're a Stegosaurus saver, a T-Rex tracker, or a pterodactyl planner. Share your results in the comments. Subscribe and ring the bell. Next time we're opening the Piggy Bank Hospital, what to do when your savings plan gets sick, plus a visit from Dr. Penny. Remember, saving isn't about being rich, it's about making your money work for you. With Interestosaurus by your side, every coin can grow into a dream. Be like Interestosaurus, patient, steady, and always growing. Your future self will roar with gratitude. Feed your dino, grow your dreams. Smart saving, happy heart. Drawn to money. Out.